Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I have the cutest little treat box. This will hold Ghirardelli squares or the mini Ghirardellis or just Hershey Kisses, anything for the holidays. And this is going to be my last holiday tutorial. I'm so sad because this is my favorite time of year, but Valentine's is coming up, so I have some really nice new stamp sets to work with out of our new mini catalog. So let's get started with this one. Alright, so we are going to use some thick Whisper White because this is perfect for this box. This is for the bottom and it is 6 by 6. And this is for the top, and it is 4 1/8 by 4 1/8. And we are going to score those. But I want to tell you first what you need to mat these. I am using the Let It Snow Designer Series paper. I'm really getting low on this. I think I have 2 sheets left. But this is the one. It's one of my favorite. And I know that if you don't have this, I think it's already out of stock. But I love it so much, I really wanted to use it just for the last time. So you can use whatever you have, but this is one of my favorites, so I hope that you got a chance to get it. I'm using also the Cup of Christmas, and I'm just using the sentiment Sweet Christmas Wishes for this. And then for the matting, you are going to need for the bottom 4 pieces that are 1 7/8 by 1 7/8. For the top, you're going to need 4 pieces that are 7/8 by 2 1/8. And then for the very top, you're going to need one that's 2 1/8 by 2 1/8. You can get away with smaller with this. You could do 2 by 2, or you can do 2 1/16. I liked a little bit more white showing around the edge. So that's what you're going to need for that. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and score these. I'm going to use my new trimmer. I don't know if you've all haven't seen this yet, but it is a great trimmer. I love this one. So on the bottom one, we're going to score it at 2 inches all around. So we're going to score it at 2, 2, 2, and 2, and then we are going to score the top one. We're going to score this at 1. I love how you can slip this right under, and you could just slip it under on each turn. So this is 1, 1, 1, and 1 on all 4 sides. And that is it for your scoring. Isn't that easy? So I thought I'd make a really easy one for this last one because I know it's getting super close to Christmas. Alright, so we are going to cut this. And on the bottom one, we're going to cut here. I'm cutting a little bit out, and I'm going to rotate it. And it's harder to see on this Whisper White. I haven't used a solid Whisper White in a while. And then there. I'm just going to cut this so that it gives us a little bit a less bulk on here. So then we're going to cut these, and you can save these scraps because you can definitely use these for sentiments. And then we're going to just do this all the way around just to make our glue tabs a little bit smaller. Alright. Now on our small one, we're cutting it the same way, but we're not gonna cut off any of that. We're just gonna rotate this and cut this one. Did I forget to score one side? I sure did. Let me bring that up real quick. I forgot to score this side. There we go. I wondered why I couldn't see it. It's because it wasn't there. All right, so this is how we're cutting this one, just like that. So let's go ahead and give these a good sharpening on all of these. Okay, so we have them both sharpened really well, and this is really important in box making if you're new to box making, to have all your score marks sharpened really well. I'm going to go ahead and use wet glue this time because it's a little quicker than using my tear and tape, but use a strong adhesive for this. And we're going to just start lining these up. Now when you're using wet glue, you know you have to hold it just for a minute. It needs to get that tackiness and adhere to your box. And make sure it's real square as you can get it. It's important for your top to fit on the right way. Alright, so there's our bottom. Now let's do the same with the top. And I love this thick. If you are an avid box maker, you need to get this cardstock. Got that one off. This is the cutest little box. I haven't made a small box like this in a while, and so I thought I would keep it pretty easy because of how close we are to Christmas. And I know quick and easy comes in handy at those last days. Alright, so there's our lid, and it will fit on here. And this lid fits on a little bit looser. You can make it tighter. I actually didn't pull this closed enough. I need to put a little bit more glue in here. It'll fit a little bit looser. It's not really tight, but I like it that way on this box. It's okay because, you know, I mean, it's not extremely loose, but it's a little bit looser than some of the boxes that I've made. Alright, so let's go ahead and mat these. And we're going to go ahead and mat the top first. When you put on your matting too, it's going to tighten that up just a little bit, the lid. So if you like it tighter, you can go ahead and make it a little bit smaller, but I'm happy with the way it is. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. I love how little it is. And then we're going to go ahead. I used the stitch shapes and I used the stitch circle right here, and I already went ahead and cut it, so I didn't have to take the time to do that in the video because it's only one piece to go through the big shot. So let's go ahead and stamp that, and I'm going to stamp it with Night of Navy because there is Night of Navy in this designer series paper. I didn't want to use black, so I'm going to just use the Night of Navy here. And then we are going to pop these up with a couple dimensionals. And then I am using the accessory kit. That is the Let It Snow accessory kit. It's an embellishment kit, and let's see, let's go ahead and use, should we use some different color mittens? I'm going to use the real red ribbon to tie a bow, and then I'm going to look and see if I need to stick with the red or if I should put on think it's pool party in this one. So let's make our bow first. And then we'll decide what color to put on. I love this little embellishment kit, and if you were lucky enough to get one, it was such a fun kit with the little mittens and the Santa scarves, and it was really a good one. So we're going to put the bow there, and I can use any 3 of these. They all coordinate with this paper. Let's see, what do these look like? Yeah, let's go ahead and put these on. They're so cute. Why not? All right, and I'm going to use wet glue for these because the glue dots do not stick really well for this, so you're going to have to wait for these to dry before you give it, because it takes a few minutes for this wet glue to dry on this. Mittens are so cute, and I thought they went perfect with the little mittens on the paper. And then there you have it. This is a really cute little fun one. You can, I'm going to be very careful because I don't want the mittens to fall, but here's a couple Ghirardellis. They will fit in there like perfectly. You just have to curl these back to fit them in there. And you could fit a bunch in here. I'd say at least 6. And then there you go. And here's the other one with the little red mittens. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye.